In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to buy a gift card on Affirm. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to browse through all of the gift cards available in Affirm and how to buy now and pay later. You will be able to do this through the website, so at affirm.com, as I'm displaying in this video, or you can download the latest version of their mobile app and do it there, whatever you prefer. You will be able to browse through all of the gift cards currently available in Affirm and purchase as many as you wish. So all that you have to do is go over to Shop, and under Shop by category, you will be able to find gift cards. So as you can see, it is located right here. So click on gift cards and you will be redirected to this page where you can browse through all of the gift cards available. So you can sort them by category, you can scroll down, sort by most popular, or just use the search function to look for a specific one. So browse through all of the gift cards that you currently have available, and once you find one that satisfies you, you will be able to finance it using Affirm. So click on the gift card and you will be able to see the description, how much balance it is going to include, the terms and conditions, and for some gift cards, you will be able to choose the amount. So for example, on DoorDash, you can pick between $50, $100, $200, $400, and $500, or even a custom amount. But for others, such as PlayStation, you are locked to this single value displayed here. Now all that you have to do is click on buy for yourself or buy for someone else, and you can now include the details about your Affirm account. If you already have an account, you will be able to just sign in, and if you are new to Affirm, you will be able to go through the sign up process. Now, because this contains a lot of personal information, I won't be able to show it in full, but all that you have to do is follow the on-screen instructions and fill out the information as needed. So your country of residence, your email, phone number, address, and then a zip code. I hope I was able to help you on how to buy a gift card on Affirm. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.